Glass. As abundant as the grains of sand that are its foundation, but significantly more complex. Neither a crystal nor a liquid, no structure, but infinitely adaptable. And for the past century, our people have done just that, adapted glass. We've sagged it. We've molded it. We've drilled it, cut it, polished it, coated it. We've tested its limits. And together, we have traveled deep under the sea, into combat, into space, and into the human body. We are the United Lens Company, and we unlock the limitless potential of glass every single day. In 1916, Fileno DiGregorio, a recent immigrant to the U.S., had $450 hard-earned dollars and an idea. With the help of his sons, he transformed a small molding shop into an optical manufacturing company that is the largest of its kind in the world.
Fileno himself had a mindset that he was going to succeed no matter what. And he instilled that in his boys, who later became the president and vice presidents of the company. And they were invested in making this a success.
We are the oldest and best converter of raw optical glass in the world.
United Lens molds, machines, grinds, polishes, and coats optics.
Here at United Lens, we can take that raw glass and convert it into anything that you ask for.
Every time an order comes in, it's got unique problems and opportunities.
We have to get this job on the floor, through the process as quickly as possible.
And that's a top-to-bottom kind of philosophy where all of us are involved every day in looking at the operation and trying to determine, can it be done faster, easier, smarter, more efficiently.
And efficiency at United Lens begins with having the raw materials on hand.
United Lens has the largest inventory of optical glass in the industry.
In 1972, Fileno DiGregorio said the key to his business success was that you must have a large inventory to meet the customer's needs right away. He doesn't want to have to wait for what he wants.
Fileno DiGregorio talked about how inventory was important then. You know, today, it's actually more important. Inventory is our lifeblood.
We'd probably have to wait 3 or 4 weeks at least to get material in before we could begin a job. By having a large inventory, we're able to start the job in less than a day. So we are willing to invest in an inventory position to provide our customers with a better delivery schedule.
This vast inventory, along with numerous manufacturing capabilities, makes United Lens a one-stop shop.
We can utilize our molding division and then send a part to our machining division and then send a part to our polishing division and then our coating division. This enables fast deliveries, good pricing, and gives our customers one place to go to buy their optics.
Molding at United Lens is unique, only to United Lens. We have been molding since 1916. Molded glass blanks have always been there and always will be there. But molding is now about 20% of United Lens's sales. Back in the 60s, it was 100%.
As moldings declined, we've established a dominant position in the machining of blanks.
With our precision machine shop, we can profile glass 2D and 3D. Making parts that are stepped, slotted, holes in them. We put bevels on the side as we contour around the part. Purchasing our water jets was one of the best machining decisions that we've ever made. Our overhead crane allows one operator to run all 3 machines. Cutting out of the nozzle at 48,000 pounds per square inch, we're cutting glass 12 inches thick. The large sheet and the heavy boules that we get can only be cut safely with our water jets. Our wire saw gives us the ability to cut a beautiful wafer with an 18-micron slurry finish. We now have our fourth machine, and we can do up to 12-inch square.
I think one of the inherent strengths that we have is our annealing capability. Virtually everything we do gets annealed. The fact that we have 55 annealers allows us to turn product as quickly as we do.
We have our polishing department that handles all flat optics.
As time went by, we invested in double-sided equipment. It's much more efficient, and we achieve much better parallelism with those machines.
We also have our coating department, which can coat those optics, or customer optics.
We've been coating optics at United Lens for over 40 years. We recently just put in a new 72-inch chamber. It's packed with the latest technology. We have 2 E-guns, it's got ion assist, optical monitoring, crystal monitoring. With the technology in that chamber, we're able to provide our customers with state-of-the-art coatings. Over the years, we've developed certain techniques for achieving better and better coatings. We control our layers in our coating process down to angstroms. The quality is better than what the customers expect. We've invested heavily in the cleaning operation, which is crucial to the end product. We have upgraded the cleaning area to a Class 1000 clean room environment. In order to keep up with the increased capacity in the coating lab, we've also increased the capacity of our metrology. We currently have 3 state-of-the-art spectrophotometers for measuring the absolute values that are required by our customers and the ability to do salt fog testing here. We've also invested in environmental chambers so that when a part it gets coated at United Lens and we put it in a box to ship it, we know that it meets every possible specification. We do a lot of in-process inspection to assure that when the part gets to the final process, we know that the part has been checked numerous times. We are an ISO certified and ITAR compliant company. This assures that our metrology is up to date at all times. We invest in the latest equipment to assure our customers are getting what they ask for or exceed what they ask for. Our quality has always been regarded as the best in the industry because we train our people to take a lot of pride in what they do. It shows in the quality that we ship out the door.
United Lens has always been thought of very highly in the optical industry. We're strong, we're efficient, we're always up to date, and they know we'll be there.
We're going to continue to invest in our future. We're going to continue to do the things that have made us the stable business that we are today.
United Lens, serving the optical industry since 1916.